If you need to learn how to compute the hydrostatic force on a submerged object, hopefully you'll find this video to be helpful. The main thing to remember is that you need to compute the pressure at the center of gravity of the object and then just multiply it times the area of that object. In this case, we have a gate, and this gate is triangular in shape. I'm not sure why you'd have a triangular gate, but we're going to run with it. And it has its apex at point C. It's 6 feet high, as you can see in the diagram. It is 4 feet wide. Now, we know that if it's a triangular shape, that it's 2/3 from the top, so it's going to be 4 feet down to get to the center of gravity. We know that the area is 1/2 the base times the height, so that's 1/2 times 4 times 6, so that's 12 square feet. So remember, force is going to be equal to the pressure times the area. We know the unit weight of water is 62.4 pounds per feet cubed. We just solved for the area, so we only have one more term left to solve for. That's going to be the vertical distance to the center of gravity. Now, if this gate was vertical, then this would be a little bit easier, but in this case, we're going to have to do a little bit of trigonometry. So we know the vertical distance to the center of gravity is going to be the vertical distance to point C, which is 3 feet. Then we have to figure out what is the vertical distance to get down to 4 feet on the slope, since that's where the center of gravity is. So we do a little bit of trigonometry. We know the angle at point C is going to be 45 degrees. So the sine of 45 is going to be the opposite, which is what we're solving for, divided by the hypotenuse. When we solve for that, we get that the opposite is 2.83 feet. So the total vertical distance to get to the center of gravity is going to be 3 feet plus 2.83 feet, which is going to be 5.83 feet. We put all of those terms together, and then we can solve for the force, which turns out to be 4,366 pounds. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. If so, give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate you watching.